Right now, you're spinning at 1,600 kilometers per hour, and you don't even feel it. You're standing on a planet that's orbiting a star, inside a solar system, tucked into the arm of a galaxy that's one of hundreds of billions. So, where exactly are we in the universe? Let's zoom out. We live on the third rock from the Sun, Earth. Our planet orbits the Sun every 365 days at a speed of about 107,000 kilometers per hour. But the Sun itself isn't sitting still. It's dragging the entire solar system along as it orbits the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, once every 230 million years. And where are we inside this galaxy? Not at the center. Not even close. We live in the quiet suburbs of the Milky Way in a minor spiral arm called the Orion Arm. Our galactic neighborhood is like a cosmic cul-de-sac, peaceful but vast. The Milky Way is huge, over 100,000 light-years across. But it's just one galaxy. We belong to a local family of galaxies called the Local Group, which includes Andromeda and about 80 others. Together, they orbit a gravitational hub in a much larger structure, the Laniakea Supercluster. Laniakea means immense heaven in Hawaiian, and it fits. This supercluster is over 500 million light-years wide. But even that is just a tiny thread in the fabric of the cosmos. Zoom out far enough, and galaxies arrange themselves like a web connected by invisible threads of dark matter. This is called the cosmic web. It's the largest structure in the known universe, and we are just wandered in one galaxy, in one cluster, in one filament of this unimaginable tapestry. In fact, Earth is smaller in the universe than a single atom is inside your body. So, where are we in the universe? We are here on a tiny blue dot, orbiting an average star in an ordinary galaxy. Yet somehow, from this tiny corner of the cosmos, we've built telescopes that can look back 13 billion years. We've sent probes beyond our solar system, and we've begun to understand the very structure of the universe itself. We may be small, but our curiosity is cosmic. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more awe-inspiring journeys through space. Because in a universe this vast, we've only just begun to explore.